let's be honest, isn't it? Let's say somebody commits a crime and the only mitigation is to say the government is being used against this and this third person. Then when we arrest and take to court, let's be honest, when we to court, these people to court. Remember when we arrest somebody and we make up a case after investigation, so we take that person to court. Remember when we take that because we are the one to raise the Holy Book or the Holy Quran to swear that what we are going to say in that court is nothing but the truth before God. Are you together? So for anybody really to allege that, oh, we are being used for this or that, is being in just a mitigation. We also know, isn't it? Iko mwizi anaibanga alafu anasema mimi niliiba. Yeah, atasema, oh, mimi I didn't do this or that, isn't it? So for sure, to say that is being unfair. Then if you just leave like that, hata utawawa hapo mtu asema you want to arrest me because yani this is instigated by MBCD, but you are dead. So what is expected of us is take action. One thing I can for sure tell you, the investigation is 50%, prosecution is 50%, then is arbitrated by the court. In the criminal justice system, we have three pillars: investigations, prosecution, and the court. So when some few challenges do occur here and there, which is very ordinary, it is translated like we have absolutely no problem, we are doing very well.